So today I want to read you one verse from Romans chapter 12, verse 6. It says, "Since we have gifts that differ according to the grace given to us, let us each exercise them accordingly." He then goes on to list gifts like prophecy and teaching and giving and leading, and he says with all of these gifts, we've got to exercise them properly. I like that idea. I mean, I just got back from the gym earlier today, and I know what exercise really looks like. You have to be intentional and diligent and disciplined about exercising your gifts. And it doesn't matter to me what it is, because when I think about all the gifts of the people at Church on the Hill, I get excited about the potential for us if we would get serious about exercising our gifts. I got to thinking about the 3 T words that you hear a lot in the church. You know, time, talent, and treasure. And I got to thinking about exercising the gifts in those arenas. If I was to do really well with time, but I didn't do well with talent or treasure, it wouldn't be a very good test score. If I was to do great with talent, but left out treasure and time, again, I mean, think about it, folks. I just got my tax return back, and I looked at the gross income, and then I got my giving statement from the church, and I looked at the bottom line. I did great in the area of treasure. But you know what? If I flunk with time and talent, and I get a good grade on treasure, I get a 33% on that test. That's failing. In fact, if I get 2 of those right, that's a 66%. Most of my teachers would have given me a C or a D for a 66%. Now, if you want to score well in being a good steward of your time, your talent, and your treasure, you're going to exercise gifts in all 3 of those arenas. So I encourage you, as we are halfway through this all-in project, at least the 4-week introductory phase, I want you to really think about your time, your talent, your treasure. Romans chapter 6, verse 12. How are you doing on the test that God gives you?